The EuropePlus package is ERP answer to the compliance needs of a lot of producers to cover their obligation in Europe. It is delivered through our organization that is an organization that has 8 years of experience managing compliance in 13 different countries. We are delivering this to more than 2,400 producers. And we have managed very recently to collect more than 2 million tons of electrical waste. So it is, let's say, a Europe-wide service that is delivered by the only pan-European scheme existing in Europe. European compliance with local proximity. The main value for producers and retailers in Europe of the EuropePlus package is, first of all, to take away let's say a burden, an administrative burden from their shoulders. Producers are meant to focus on their job of producing, selling and servicing appliances, and we are ready to take over from them this, let's say, obligation that is not a core business for them, and therefore we are offering to them to cover in one shot all their compliance needs across Europe. We do this with let's say a selection of standard services and customized services depending on the nature and the size of the producer. The EuropePlus package, first of all, it's a unique product by itself because it is delivered by the only organization in Europe that operates across multiple countries like ERP. So it's really unique because it is covering in one go obligations, first of all, on multiple products, because it covers electrical waste, it covers portable batteries, and it delivers this compliance coverage from one source, because we deliver it through our own organization in 13 countries, and for the other countries where we don't operate directly, we ensure compliance coverage using the local service providers, but still keeping the whole flow of information and data reporting and administration in one single contact point. This offer comes at a very critical moment in Europe, because there is the WEEE legislation that was launched 8 years ago in Europe is now going through a recast phase. So the legislation has been revised centrally in Brussels and now is under implementation in the different countries. And again, different countries will implement it in different way. It will include new products under scope. So, for example, products like photovoltaic panels will be for the first time included in the legislation. It will harmonize the concept of B2B and B2C. So products sold for business-to-business purposes, or products sold business to consumer, will be harmonized and treated in the same way. We see our role as ERP as really one important source of information and one important source for explaining to the other stakeholders, mainly the local authorities, which are the strengths and weaknesses of the existing legislation, and really making proposals or highlighting which are the areas for improvement that the new legislation can address. Europe is really a tricky continent to address. Different currencies, different legislations, different languages. We cover all, and we offer this service to a number of potential clients that we are ready to help, allowing them to get on with what they do best. We are bringing the voice of the producers and the retailers in the discussion, and we are doing this in order to make sure that the new legislation is going to create a set of rules that can be considered fair and sustainable for the whole system.